Hello everyone, today is my first class here during this online learning, so let me introduce myself before I start the materials. My name is Widya Kristanti, you can call me Miss Widya. I am as a student English Language Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education at Mahasaraswati University Denpasar. Here I will teach you this day until around 2 months. And I hope you guys enjoy this class and today's lesson goes well. Okay, now I will start explain the material about descriptive text. I am sure Mr. Dodi has already explained it to you before and I will repeat it just a bit through this PowerPoint. What is descriptive text? Definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. In a broad sense, description, as explained by Kin 2352, is defined like in the following sentence. Description is about sensory experience, how something looks, sounds, tastes. Mostly it is about visual experience, but description also deals with other kinds of perception. The descriptive text is meaningful text that describes the experience related to the sense, such as what shape, sound, taste is. Most descriptive text is about visual experience, but in fact, the experience other than the sense of sight. We can also use it to make descriptive text. So it can be said that the descriptive text is a text that explains about whether a person or an object is like, whether its form, its properties, its amount, and others. The purpose of the descriptive text is clear, that is to describe, represent, or reveal a person or an object, either abstract or concrete. Okay, generic structure of descriptive text. Descriptive text has its own rules in writing, including the structure or composition of which must be written in order. If you are prompted to create descriptive text, then make sure the structure is as follows. First, identification. This section in the first paragraph, the goal is to identify something to be described or depicted. Explanation easy. Identification serves to introduce the reader about the object or something that we have described before we tell about its properties. The goal is not to get one of those readers. Second is description. This section in the second paragraph and so on contains the properties inherent in something that you already introduced to the reader in the first paragraph. Next, characteristic of descriptive text. First, using the simple present tense. Why use the simple present tense? This is because we will describe a fact or truth that is attached to something or someone. And one of the functions of the simple present is to illustrate a fact or truth. For example, the fact is the sun is hot. Therefore, you should always use the first form of the verb, which is verb 1. Then your example will illustrate the properties of your new car. For example, the color of my car is black. It can run up to 500 km per hour. Second is because of its function is to describe something by explaining its properties. Then the text will be found many descriptive adjective or adjective as handsome, beautiful, tall, small, big, or if the adjective is derived from the verb, then you will find additional the in and in to. The last is in the descriptive text, we will often find relating verb or copula, which is as in characteristic number 1. In Indonesian, is often interpreted as is. Because the purpose or function descriptive text is to describe, then definitely we often find the word was is. For example, his name is Andy or his name was Andy. His height is 160 centimeter or height is 160 centimeter. Okay, thank you. That's enough for the explanation about descriptive text. And then we will move to the assignment. The assignment is please summarize the material about descriptive text in your notes, and then the notes are collected in the form of photos or scan and sent to LMS Kensa. Thank you guys. Good luck.